What's up, YouTube? Back at it again. We're gonna make some golf tees because these are my last two in my bag, and you know what? Why buy them when you can print them? So we're gonna set up a 3D printer. We're gonna put it in the CAD software, Onshape, and we're going to design a tall one like this, a medium like this, and a shorty, and 3D print them and see if they're as rigid as that, and see if they hold a ball up. And we're going to test it in my backyard. Not very hard because I don't have a very big backyard. But stay tuned. We're going to start by making a document here.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world but keep the sky on your mind.
Well, guys, I got the golf tees done, 3D printed, and took them to the golf course and tested them out. And I want to say they failed bad, but they really didn't. I brought 10 tees with me. I left with 6. So, I mean, I guess in a way I lost 4, but the way they break, they just shatter when you hit them and don't hit them right. But you know, I got wooden tees that snap the heads off of them. So in retrospect, it's actually not too bad. I don't recommend taking them to the golf course because they shatter and then they leave a bunch of plastic everywhere. I tried to pick up as much as I could, but they do work. They do hold a ball, and quite frankly, if you're in a pinch and you want to 3D print a crap ton of golf tees, I don't see any issues with it other than leaving a bunch of shrapnel everywhere. But you know, you go to the tee box on any golf course, you'll see about 800 freaking golf tees laying on the ground. So like it is what it is. But yeah, here's a couple of clips from where I went to go play golf with a buddy of mine, and using the tees, using regular tees. I did a comparison, which I mean, it really isn't much to compare. I mean, all it does is hold up a ball, but just to show you guys that it worked. I got that teed up too low. I better take my practice swing. I'm gonna aim for them trees over there. That's how my slice has been going.
Good ball.
ball.
Not bad.
That's a fantastic ball. You might be
It could be at work right now.
This is true. This is very true. Tell you what, I might aim it a little this way though.
You see it?
Say what? What?
You know where the green is.
Yeah, I know where it's at. But I know how my slice is too. Oh, and of course it doesn't do it this time.
Yeah, you ain't playing that.
I don't even know where it went. Guess
You
what,
know
bro?
what?
Guess what? It didn't break. I ain't got another ball.
I could have given you a ball.
Hear my knees cracking?
No. It's because I got old man ears.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and aim that a little bit the other way now.
Good ball. Good ball.
And it broke that time.
Did it break?
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. It's the same thing. I might need to go up a club or something.
What?
So I might need to go up a club or something. Oh, she's a little soft right there. We're gonna John Daly this shit. Oh. Got that on camera.
That's a blooper, all right.
Again.
It went through the trees. And you killed you.
Dude.
You about to kill me.
Don't play golf, kids.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.